Shoot. Well, now I'm hungry. Welcome back to the show! Today is International Arts and Crafts Day on the channel, and definitely nothing else. No other holidays on this day, I guarantee it. And today we'll be working on something inspired by the anime My Roommate is a Cat, which is also a description of my life. But since we're doing crafts, I don't really need the apron today, just get rid of that. And I have laid out everything we need right in front of you for your eyeballs to take in. We're going to need a plastic bottle. A lot of plastic bottles nowadays are kind of thin and flimsy, which is good for the environment, not so good for what we're doing today, so we'll be going with this green soda bottle instead. Not quite as nice aesthetically, but at least a little more sturdy. We're also going to need a pair of scissors, and maybe a knife. Don't play with either of those. Some tape, a healthy dose of our secret ingredient X in this adorable cat-based container. And now I'm just gonna get started, I guess. First thing we're going to do is punch a hole out of this plastic soda bottle. And we're looking for a hole that's like maybe yay or so big. Remember to put a cap on the bottle. Bigger knife. I did it. For future reference, you should use an X-Acto knife for this. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you could see that. Oops. Definitely seen me do it wrong. There we go. The next thing we're gonna do is use the tape to cover up that kind of nasty sharpness. Oh my god, cat. So, tape. Yeah, look. Oops, you're on camera. Oh, right there. That looks safe, right? Cinder, does this look safe to you? Then the last thing to do before we're going to show this project in action is to fill it with our secret ingredient. Gee, what an odd-sounding secret ingredient. And now that it is filled, it is time to move to a new location to see our amazing project in action. We're also going to need this to have the project be shown in action. I'm taking this with me. Alright, Cinder, here you go. Let's play. Let's play! Oh my god, cat, what are you doing? Come on, go get it! I believe in you! There's a toy right over there and it's full of food! Well, guess the episode's over.
何度も転がさないと中から出てこないんです。
へえ、楽しそうだな。
Lies! Lies and untruth, I say. Come on, Cinder. I did this for you. What? Hey. Maybe she's interested. She got some food. Maybe it's gonna work. Yeah, give it a good old smack. Come on. No. Nope. Now she's done again. Yay! Hooray! Yeah! Good job, Cinder! Yeah! Look at you having fun. Look at you being cute, Sin. Up, and now she's done. Oh wait, now she's back. Come on. Yep, I see. Yes, that's the best way to attack something, Cinder. I believe you know the secret now. And she's done again. Alright, Cinder, what's your final score? We have this thing on the show where we rate things out of 10. Okay, what do you feel about this stick then? Oh, you like the stick. Ah, you see, because the stick took no effort. Come on, get it. Come on, you can get it. I believe in you. Alright, while I'm here, I have kind of a commercial version. This is a ball filled with food. Let's see if Cinder likes it. Maybe. And... well... I guess that's it. Fine, what about this ball? Nope. Nothing? Okay. Wait. Maybe she wants the ball? Are you on the ball, Cinder? We're all on the ball. Yeah, you roll that ball. Get the num-nums. And she's done. Very important licking break. How about the stick again? Yeah, apparently the stick is the victor. You can put all your effort into trying to craft something, but in the end, what the cat really wants is a stick. She fell over. All the better to bite you with, says Cinder. Nom nom. Nom. Nom nom nom. Yeah. Look at you, hon. Cinder says Happy April Fool's Day.